Hey everyone, David D'Souza here. I'm the founder and creator of SheetXAI, the perfect AI for spreadsheets. Now here's my question. If you're like me, you probably use stuff like Trello to manage all your tasks with your team. However, what if you wanted to bring the Trello data inside your Google Sheets, right? Now here's what the old way kind of looks like is you go through Trello and you copy every single thing and start bringing it. So I'm gonna first take you guys to Trello. So here we go. All right, so when you're in Trello, normally what you would do is you would kind of copy each of these. Maybe you click them, you copy, then you add them to a spreadsheet. Then you do it again and again and again, and that just takes a whole lot of time, right? Instead, what you can do is you could just do it automatically by just asking, right? So in this example here, right, we're gonna look at my Acme mobile app Q2 launch table, and we're gonna try to bring all of that into our Excel. Now, here's the thing: SheetXAI works in Excel and Google Sheets. You could apply everything I teach you here to both platforms, right? And if you want to know how to install SheetXAI, it's in the comments. It's in the description. So check this out, right? So here, all I'm saying is pull all the cards from the Acme mobile app Q2 launch board in Trello into this sheet. Match the columns to the card details. Simple, right? And essentially, when I press enter, you should be able to see the AI doing the entire system itself. Boom. And in less than a minute, literally less than a minute, it's all done. Look at this. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you want to install SheetXAI to do this yourself, literally just go in the description. I have all the information. It's free to install, 7 days free. So you'd have more than enough time to do this exact step that I just did. And yeah, honestly, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a great day.